glad we have this guy next to us. Then.
I know. Yeah, our next guest right here, an award-winning and Grammy-nominated percussionist and vocalist who is taking the stage at Chelsea Music Hall tomorrow.
Pedrito Martinez is widely regarded as the world's leading percussionist in Afro-Cuban music. He has shared the stage with legends like
Eric Clapton, Bruce Springsteen, Camila Cabello, Paul Simon.
Tu paisa, Camila Cabello, your
she's from
compatriot.
Cuba, yeah.
You're a Cuban patriot.
Mi compatriota.
It is so nice to meet you, Pedrito Martinez.
There you go.
Thank you.
You guys can do way better than that.
Yeah, I think so.
Can you try this?
No.
I'm sorry, could we try what?
Is there a slow-mo version?
How do you do that? Okay, by the end of this segment, Alex Lee, that's all you. Pedrito, first of all, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thanks a lot for having me here.
We're going to talk to our folks about why you're here, because you have a big performance coming up. But let's start at the beginning. You were born and raised in?
Havana, Cuba.
Oh, my goodness.
Cuba.
Havana, Cuba, a neighborhood called Cayo Hueso.
Cayo Hueso.
Just in the middle of Havana.
Okay.
And grew up surrounded around a lot of music. My mom used to sing. My brother's a percussion player. And
Yeah. And just like that.
So you grew up around it.
She was a hopper.
I mean, did you come out hitting the drums, or like when did it start?
Actually, when I was 11, I used to do judo and boxing, and then my mom said, "No, I don't want you to be in sport. You know, you're not good." So
no. Nothing like a mother's love.
I was not good, guys. I was not good at all.
You were not good at judo.
But no, I was not. But my mom, she saw that I have skills to became a great percussion player and a singer too. So that's what I've been doing all these years since I got here in 1998. I've been performing, recording, and traveling all over the world.
So if you weren't good at judo, you weren't going to do sports, who were some of the musicians that you looked up to? Because Cuba is just filled with so many musicians that have influenced, I think, world music. So who were some of the influences that you had? Or was there just someone from the neighborhood where you grew up?
Yeah, actually, there was this guy, Pancho Quinto. He was an old guy. He used to play folklore music. Was one of my mentors. And also Roman Diaz, which is living already here been living here for 20 years already.
Oh my goodness.
Giovanni Hidalgo, an amazing percussion player from Puerto Rico.
Dale, Boricua!
Amazing. Changuito, Ray Barreto.
Ray Barreto!
Mongo Santa Maria, Patato Valdez, Candido Camero. I mean, I had so many influence.
Yeah.
And they were great human beings and extraordinary percussion players.
Yeah. Well, she can sing, so maybe you guys should do a duet.
Yeah. But I want to know, first, before we, let me avert the attention here. I want to know about your performance tomorrow.
Actually, I'm going to be for the first time at the Chelsea Music Hall.
Oh, my goodness.
One of the greatest venues.
One of the greatest venues,
it's a beautiful dancing floor.
Oh.
And I'm going to have my dear friend Chani teaching a salsa class from 7 to 8, and then I'm going to start my performing from 8:30, maybe until 6 a.m. in the morning. Who knows?
There we go.
Así se hace los cubanos.
Seguro.
So this is for folks, tickets are still available. You go early, you get a salsa lesson.
Okay.
Do you break on the 1 or the 2? You'll find out.
There's no 4 and there's no 8 in salsa, I can tell you that.
You do your salsa, and then you listen to this man do his thing. Now, are these bongos? What are these?
Congas.
These are congas. Come on, shake your body, baby. Do that.
Conga.
Conga.
No, you can't.
Also from...
Tumbadora.
Tumbadora. Okay, give us a quick lesson before you show us.
But you guys need to stand up and dance with me.
Okay. Marisol, get out.
It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be like we call it tumbao. Tumbao goes. Beep beep 1, 2, 3. Beep beep 1, 2, 3. Beep beep 1, 2, 3. Beep beep. Come on.
Glad I wore my athleisure.
No, you love.
Eso. Pedro Martinez, save your hands for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Performing Thursday night at the Grand Chelsea Music Hall. Doors open at 6:30. Salsa lesson at 7.
7.
Pedro takes the stage at 8. Until what time?
4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Until you get tired.
Exactly.
Until you get tired.
You get carried away with us salsa dancing. Let me tell you, did it all night.
I'm telling you.
Till
Thank
the sun
you so
comes
much.
up.
Thanks for having me here.
Felicidades.
Muchas gracias.
So exciting.
Thank you.
We're going to toss to break.
Now
Give the folks at home.
Let's play to break.
Give us a little We'll do a thinking, 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 think, thinking, 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 think. Dale, dale, dale.